I wanted milk. Mother slapped me. Born disabled, I seemed even unworthy to nurse. When I crept closer, Mom bared teeth, a rolling warning. I'd gone days without food, watching my siblings suckle. Hunger scorches my gut like fire. I edge closer again. Mom stood, stopped feeding, and stared coldly.
The only definition of existence. Not as simple as breathing. You really hope you can sort things out. If there's no sincerity, what is there to explain? I really love you. Crooked and uneven.
Born into the grassland's largest clan, the Nsefu Pride, 5 siblings with me. When I was born, the prairie wind was warm and the sun soft. From my first breath, I felt different. In embryo, I lacked nutrients. At birth, frail and spine bent, they fought fiercely for milk. Every time, I only squatted far off, waiting for scraps. Under the pride's shelter, they thrived, chasing, laying, while I lay aside, only watching in silence. Each time I joined, peers refused. Mom stared coldly. He saw frailty and doubt, yet never helped. Maybe strong as cubs survive alone on this grassland. At dusk, 3 days later, hunger woke me. Silence. Pride vanished. Mom, siblings left me. Initially, I thought they'd stepped out. Sad as night swallowed prairie, hunger coiled like a snake. I knew they wouldn't return. I tracked Pride's scent, stumbling as I chased. Night prairie is scary. Monkeys hide in trees. Hyenas laugh afar. I shouted while walking, my young voice slicing the night. But it drew a leopard, not Mother. He was the mortal enemy of the pride. A small cub like me entering his sight meant certain death. Terrified, I froze. An adult hippo charged the leopard, driving it into night. Hippo never meant to save me. Surviving was miraculous. I gathered courage, followed the pride scent onward till my brother roared afar. Then I knew, surviving here is never easy. Lions and humans often face small, stubborn problems. I hurried, stumbling, to my brother's side. I was met not with acceptance, but brutal claws. Reunion brought mockery, not greetings. They pinned me, took turns stomping. Claws drummed my injured hind legs, nearly blacked out. Dazed, I mistook a male lion for Mom, crawled for comfort, got hit harder. When I thought I'd die here, a roar ripped the night sky. Mother, she found me at last. He shielded me beneath him, snarling at the bullies. Then I first felt Mom's warmth. I limped behind her, thinking I would never be lonely again. Next day, the nightmare persisted. My leg barely moved. Siblings ignored me. My mother's eyes turned cold again. She had made her decision to abandon me. The pride moved again. I limped after it, scared every step. Fall behind. I'll never return. I fell behind. I chased in pain till the pride rested, then barely caught up. No lion even glanced back at me. After a brief rest, the pride moved on again quietly. My siblings got milk. My belly was still empty. Don't know what got me here. To live must follow the pride. Migrating, we hit a rushing river. Mom took all siblings, left me. I desperately called him till hoarse, yet he never answered back. After days without food, my mind blurred. Legs spun uncontrollably, now crocodile nears below. Awaiting my fall, Mom yelled from across, warning me off water. I only wanted his side, unaware danger closing. I staggered downhill, a dead end, stuck mid-slope. I used the last ounce of my strength to call for my mother. Finally, 10th call, he returned. Riverbank. He carried me in his mouth. Milk scent proved I was his child. Ashore, I sprinted to a puddle, gulping. I knew I couldn't nurse anymore, so had to live on water first. Still, I edged toward Mom. Unexpectedly, he didn't refuse. I finally drank milk. Happiness fades. Mother rose fast. Pride moved on. I limped to catch up again, thinking I'd be alone again. A miracle. A cub ahead stopped, waiting for me. Yes. Then the second, third, until the pride stopped. Turns out, when you're strong enough, the world stops for you. 3 years on, I'm no what. I'm a broad-shouldered male lion. I learned hunting and fighting, vanished invaders, faced hyenas, shielded pride from death, grit, and will raise me, cast off weakling, to pride guarding. My childhood proved, if fate plunges you into the abyss, grit and rise. Wasteland. The weak fall, the strong stay. I became what my mother meant to lead. Sunset, wind in my mane. Mom's coldness wasn't punishment, but prairie law. We withheld love and helped when I was dying, so I'd someday protect children and tribes.